Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a sprint in ClickUp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First and foremost, you'll need to enable the Sprint's Click app in ClickUp. If you're a workspace owner or admin, you'll want to navigate to the Apps and Integrations section. From there, you should see an option labeled All Click Apps. Here, search for Sprint. Once you find it, go ahead and enable the Sprint's Click app. While you're at it, consider activating sprint points as well if you plan on estimating effort using points. Once you've got the Sprint's Click app enabled, it's time to add a sprint folder, which serves as a container for your sprints. Over on the sidebar, under your dedicated space, you'll see a button with a plus sign. Clicking on this allows you to select Sprint folder. When you're setting this up, a modal will pop up giving you some customization options. You can choose the sprint cadence. It's quite flexible and allows you to set the start day and even the naming format for each sprint. Additionally, if you have a list template that you use regularly, you can apply it right here, saving you time down the line. For those who need it, there's even an option for setting a custom time zone or specific durations, which can be particularly handy if you're working with teams across different regions. With the sprint folder ready, it's time to create your first sprint. Simply go to your sprint folder and click three dots next to it. Then click on Edit Folder. Clicking on this brings up another modal where you can customize a few more details. A crucial part of this step is naming your sprint. You can decide the duration too, whether you want to stick with the default or go for a custom length. There's also a place to jot down your sprint goal, which is optional, but beneficial for clarity and focus within your team. Once you've got everything set up, simply click Save Changes, and your sprint list will appear with its own start and end dates. And there you have it. So that is how you can create a sprint in ClickUp. So that's all for this video. Thanks.